World Six-Man Tag Team Champions. Their manager, Paul Jones. Paul, are they ready for the Cup?
That's right. Let me say something about the Cup. I am so mad I can hardly talk. Seated number 5, Powers of Pain. Can you believe that? And what really gets me hot, the number 2 strongest man in the world, the Road Warriors, are seated number 3. Well, Ellery has been taking somebody to dinner. But I believe you, me, Road Warriors, Dusty Rhodes and Nikita, Lex Luger, Wyndham, and the list goes on. Before the Cup gets around here, there's going to be a lot of teams that won't make it. And believe you me, by the time Power of Pain and Ivan Koloff and Dick Murdoch get to the Cup, they won't have much competition. Let me tell you something, Road Warriors. You're getting under my skin. You're going around. Animal is wearing a mask.
Ladies and gentlemen.